introduced, powered by Galaxy AI.
Really amazing.
What I like the most about the S25 Ultra, the noise reduction Galaxy AI capabilities, the new camera system that is so smooth when you're like transitioning between the lenses.
And it's been amazing seeing all my different Samsung members from Romania, Russia, here in the United States just connect and enjoy the city together.
The whole 4 or 5 days of being here, amazing experience after another.
I love these events, I love being here, the best memories I have in my life.